Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be critiquing drCuber's 1.76 average of 5 on 2x2. So without any further ado, let's just get right into solve 1. So on solve 1 here you do R2 U prime R prime on blue and then rotate U and then you do this algorithm with no AUF. Your solution and execution were really nice and the rotation didn't seem to bother you at all. However, in general, I'd recommend going for solutions without rotations. So just quickly glancing around here, I see something much better on green. So what you can do is build the green phase by doing U, L prime, U2, L prime, and you're left with this really easy EG1. However, you can actually cancel into it. So you can do something like U, L prime, U2, and then do something like this, cancel into it, and you're done. All in all though, this was a pretty good solve and your solution wasn't bad at all. So on solve 2 here, drCuber basically does U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime on orange, and then he missed one looks or he probably didn't one look it at all. Then he rotates, does a U2 and then this EG1 algorithm. Your solution on this solve was fine. However, obviously your execution wasn't fine and there are a couple of things I'd like to point out here. So firstly, I'd recommend you to get more comfortable with your one looks. I actually have 2 videos on one looking on my channel. You can go search them up. I'm not really going to get into too much detail about that here. Secondly, I spot a similar but slightly better solution on red. So what you can do is U, L, U, L and then go right into this soon EG1. I feel like this solution is better than orange because you don't have to rotate in order to do the EG1. And lastly, if you were actually trying to safety and to look this solve, I'd suggest going for CLL layers instead of EG faces because CLL algorithms are generally easier to execute. So in this case, I would do something like U, L prime, F and then insert this, then CLL. Okay, that was horrible. But yeah, most of the time if you want a safety to look a solve, I'd generally recommend going for a CLL layer. On solve 3, I really have no complaints because you just did the obvious anti-CLL cancellation. Basically this, cancelled into it and finished like this. Really, I have absolutely no complaints and your time was also pretty good. The only thing I would recommend is to perhaps try and turn a little bit faster on easier scrambles like these so that you can possibly pull out a sub 1 or a low 1. So on solve 4, your solution was fine. You did U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime on yellow, U2, J perm. So there are a couple of things I'd like to point out here. Firstly, your TPS wasn't super amazing. I could have easily gotten a 1.6 or a 1.7 on this. So just like the previous scramble, I'd recommend you to turn faster. Secondly, there's also a slightly weirdish cancellation you can do if you feel like you want to try something new. So you can hold it from this angle and do a D prime while you're picking it up, then L prime, U prime, and then go down like this and then cancel into the J perm. I don't think this solution was objectively better than what you did. However, if you're good with fancy finger tricks, I feel like it can work really well. Finally, on this last scramble here, what you did is blue, RU, R2, U prime, rotate like this, and then you did this algorithm. I like how you're using the AUF trick for this case, so yeah, keep that up. Your solution was overall really nice. However, after looking around, I think I found something that's a little bit better for me, although it might not be too much better for you. So what you can do is F, R2, U prime, R2 on white, and then U prime, rotate, and you're left with this. I really like that EG1 case and I can execute it really fast. However, I'm not too sure about you, so I guess your solution was also really nice. One more thing I'd like to point out is that unlike most other people who have critiqued, your pickups are actually really nice. So here are some tips I have for you. Number 1, try and turn faster on easy scrambles. Unless you're trying to safety an average, there's really no point in turning slowly when you get an easy scramble, especially at home. Number 2, try and get more creative solutions. Don't get me wrong, your solutions are really nice. However, they're way too standard in my opinion. And if you looked around the cube more, inspected more, you might be able to find something really good. And my last tip is to continue learning algorithms. Since your pickups and TPS is quite good, I think that you'd be able to make a good 2x2er in future, so keep practicing. So that's about it for my critique on drCuber's 1.76 average of 5 on 2x2. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Goodbye.